Very good morning, my dear students. Hope everyone fit and fine in this tough time. Welcome to digital world of Patania Public School. But in previous lecture, we learned chapter number 3. We have done complete chapter 3rd. Today we discuss the exercise of chapter number 3, Boolean logics. So these are your solved problems here. Your first problem is state which of the following are logical statement. What do you mean by the logical statement? Whose answer is true or false? Logical statement means answer is true or false, either true or false. So read first statement. NOT gate is also called inverter. Yes. Try to run fast. No logic here. Do not tell a lie. No logic here. Australia is the World Cricket Champion 2003. Either true or false. So this is logic. Here is also logic. Why did you come late? No logic here. So statement 1 and 4 are logical statements since these statements result into either true or false values. Now question number 2. Prove that x multiply y x plus y is equal to x. So here we need the two table of two variables, and after that you add these x plus y and multiply with x, and you see here this x value and x multiply x plus y all are the same. So left hand side is equal to right hand side here. Clear beta? Next is your give duals for the following. Number 1, x plus x complement y. Using duality principle, changing plus into y and into plus, vice versa. Plus exchange with multiplication sign and multiplication sign exchange with plus sign. So here you see x plus x complement y. So our statement is x into x complement plus y. You see here xy, so you do x plus y first, then multiplication, and for multiplication you put the bracket here, and then again you write down x plus y whole complement, then again write down x complement plus y here. So in dual you multiply exchange with plus and plus exchange with multiplication sign. Okay beta. So now next is draw logic circuit diagram for the following expression. Very simple question here. A B, we need A and B, so you just put A and B here. You put A value here and then you put B value here, and now multiplication sign is here, so we need the AND gate, so you just draw a AND gate here. After that we need the complement. You write down B complement here. Otherwise you take one row from the B and then you make here a NOT gate. So here is B complement. Before this line is B, but after this gate, NOT gate, our value is B complement. And after that we need the C. So you just draw C here. And B complement C, multiplication sign is here, so we need the AND gate, so you just draw here AND gate. After that we need C complement A complement. C complement A complement. So we take C from here and draw a gate not here. And A complement, you take A from here and you draw here complement, and for complement we need NOT gate. And here C complement A complement multiplication sign is here, so you draw a AND gate here. Now you see AB plus B complement C complement plus CA plus is here, so we need the OR gate. So you just draw here like this and you make the OR gate. You input three things but output is single. Clear? Next question. State the distributive laws of Boolean algebra. How do they differ from the distributive law of ordinality algebra? We have already discussed about the distributive laws. So you solve it. And next is name the law shown below and verify using truth table. So A plus B multiply C is equal to A plus B into A plus C. So this is the your distributive law and you prove it with the truth table. Obtain the following Boolean expression for the logic circuit shown here. So you find out the output of this. You see here X and Y complement. Okay. Then again complement means NAND gate here, means NAND gate here. But what is the output of this? What is the output of this? After that Z complement W and OR gate here, and after that OR gate. So what is the solution of this? X Y complement whole complement. How? X, you input the X here, so this is your X. After that Y complement here and then you complement whole, पूरे का अपने full complement, so you complement here complete. Here you find out Z complement W, Z complement W, but Z complement plus W here, Z complement plus W here. So this is your Z complement plus W. After that you draw the plus symbol and you draw the OR gate. So your output is, what is the answer? X, Y complement, whole complement plus Y plus, because OR gate is here, Z complement plus W. So this is the answer of question number B. State and verify involution law, we know about it. Verifying the following using truth table, already know about this. Yes, this one. Write the equation Boolean expression for the logic circuit. You see here you input the U and here you input the V complement and AND gate is here. AND means your multiplication. So what is the output of this? U V complement. And here again you see here U and U NOT gate. So this is your U complement. This is your U complement. And W complement. And OR gate is here. So what is the output? U V complement plus U complement W complement here. So let's see the output. U V complement plus U complement W complement. So here is your answer. Next question is question number 9. We have already discussed in chapter absorption law in Boolean algebra. Yes, question number B. Draw a logical circuit diagram for the following Boolean expression: A multiplication B plus C complement. So here we need two gates. One is your OR gate and second is your AND gate. One is your OR and second is your AND gate. So how you draw it? We need A. So input A here first, then you input B, and then you input the C complement. Okay, and B plus C complement is there, so you draw the plus symbol is here, so we need the OR gate. And A multiply B plus C complement, so here is our AND gate. For multiplication AND gate required, and for plus OR gate is required. So this is your output and this is the logic circuit. You draw like this. Clear? Next is De Morgan law. We already discussed in previous videos. You see, and how many input combination can be there in the truth table of logic system having n input binary variable, n numbers, maybe 2 3 4, any numbers are there, so you write down just 2 n, so n numbers. Perform the following: state and prove the absorption law. You do it. De Morgan law, no problem, you do. Okay, solved exercise is completed here. Your next question is, what do you understand? Short answer type question, conceptual question. Now we read here. What do you understand by truth table and truth function? How are these related? Truth table are the all the logical combination. All the logical combination is called your truth table. And truth table is your possible combinations, true and false combinations only. Next is you do it, no problem. Prove that a tautology and a fallacy, all the true value are called tautology and all the false value is called fallacy, and you prove it, no problem here. For example, y is your value, so your possible combination is 0 and 1, and question is 1 plus y. So when you plus, input 1 plus 0, your output is 1, and when you input 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So this is your tautology. Always your answer in true. But 0 multiply y is fallacies. How? Write down the possible combination of y. Two combination is here, 0 and 1, and when you multiply 0 multiply y, so when you input 0 multiply 0, your answer is 0, and when you multiply 0 multiply, now we take 1 here, so 0 multiply 1 always 0, so both are the 0, means your both values are false, so this term is called fallacies. So always 0 multiply y answer in fallacies, and 1 plus y is always tautology. Clear beta? What is truth table and what is the significant? You do it, no problem. Postulate we already discussed. Duality principle. Uh, if plus is there, you can change it with multiplication, and if multiplication is there, you change it with plus. You already know. Distributive law we done in previous classes, and De Morgan law we do it, done it, no problem. Verifying using truth table, we solve here only one or two questions, and rest of them questions you do, and do the practice of these all the questions beta. Application based question, question number 1. In Boolean algebra, verifying using the truth table, x plus, you write down here, x plus xy, x plus xy always x. So first you write down here x and y. Okay, so 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So here we need the multiplication, so multiply here 0 0 0 and 1. Now we need x plus xy, x plus xy. So here is x and here is xy. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 0 and 1 plus 1 is 1. So you see here x, here is our x and here is our x plus xy, always equivalent. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here our truth table is verified. And next question you do yourself. And question number 3, give truth table of Boolean expression x plus y complement whole complement. We do the question number 3 here. So let's do x plus y complement whole complement, x plus y complement and whole complement. So write down x and y here. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, and now we need complement. So first you do the complement here, y complement, zeros complement always 1 and 1's complement always 0. So you write down in this way. Now we need x plus y complement. So 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 0 is your 0 here. Now whole complement. Now whole complement. So you do it x plus y complement whole complement. So 1's complement is 0, 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0 and 0 complement is 1. So this is the truth table for this one. Fine. So we solve it. Truth table of x plus y complement whole complement, and then again you draw the truth table. You do it no problem in these questions. If you found any problem in these questions, you can talk to me in Zoom class. And okay, now we solve the question number 14 here. uh, Derived a boolean expression for the output f. We need the output here. So what is the output of this? A complement give b complement. So AND gate is here. In AND gate always multiplication sign. So A complement b complement. This is the output of this. And what is the output of this? C and D. Okay, now OR gate is here. So what is the output here? A complement b complement plus C D whole complement. Why whole complement? Because OR gate is here and this is your NOR gate. What function is implemented by circuit shown? You find out here xy complement. So you write down xy whole complement. Xy whole complement. Now OR gate is here and OR gate of Z. So you write down x complement y complement plus Z. This is the output of this. So x complement, this is the right answer of this question. So same question number 16, 17 you do yourself. Okay. So thank you so much for today's video. In next video we meet with next chapter, chapter number 4. Thank you so much, everyone.